Hello, it's Tuesday the 28th, I'm FxPlew and I nicked my lip shaving this morning. Yeah, I know, surprised I didn't cut my nose off, it's so big, but I will be dabbing things throughout the morning brief today. Now, the November budget is looming and Reeves will have to raise taxes to plug the fiscal gap. Treasury have been leaking a few ideas, fishing for reactions, and some feel she should just rip the band-aid off and raise the lowest income tax rate by 1%. The reality looks less likely though. Government ratings are already fragile enough, and this would be a clear breach of their manifesto pledge not to raise tax for workers, and it would not go down well. Gambling taxes are expected to rise though. Naturally, the Betting and Gaming Council has overreacted. They warned it could risk 40,000 jobs and drive activity underground, while of course only raising a fraction of the amounts claimed. But meanwhile, Betfred has also been on. They have threatened to close all of their shops if rates double. That would cost about 7,500 jobs. But what's that omelette saying again? You've got to break some eggs if you want to raise £20 billion to bridge the fiscal gap. Something like that, right? Now over in the US, the Fed meeting starts today. Markets are pricing in a 94% chance that we'll have a 25 basis point rate cut tomorrow. The hawks are still concerned about flying blind with the data blackout from the government shutdown, but concerns also remain over the employment slowdown, and a rate cut will certainly help support that. Trump has been on. He has dropped hints that a US-China trade deal might be close, and he has paused that 100% tariff he threatened in response to China's rare earth export curbs. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has also been on. He has named 5 Fed chair finalists to replace Powell at year end. Governors Christopher Waller and Michelle Bowman are known existing Trump moles on the Fed, and I'm sure we can expect the other 3 finalists to have privately pledged allegiance to the Trump agenda. So game on from here then, I guess. Who thinks we'll see more US rate cuts and a weaker dollar next year then? Raise your hand if you do. In the market, we kick off this morning around 133.55 against the dollar, 114.55 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 116.60 on the open this morning. And that's it from me, patting myself on the back. We've got through it before I passed out from blood loss. Bravo indeed.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.